Alright, ladies and gentlemen, old guy back at Randy's Cycle. And today we are going to take out the 2022 Zero SRS. Their sports touring model. I mean, you do have handlebars on it, which is kind of nice. This is belt drive. This bike claims 100 brake horsepower, 110 brake horsepower, something like that. 140 foot-pounds of torque. Weighing in about 518 pounds. So, beyond par for the sports touring market. And the question is it as comfortable as a sports tour? Yeah, maybe. I mean, seat's pretty plush. But we're going to go out on the road and see what this bike is like. Ooh, gotta fix the mirrors. Kind of tucked in there. Yeah, kind of a sportier stance to this bike. Okay, so we have 90% charge. Let's go out on the road and see what this is like. Riding position? Yeah, it's sports touring. I mean, honestly. I know I said that it says that it weighs 518 pounds. It doesn't feel like it weighs 518 pounds though. You have an adjustable brake lever. There is no clutch. I mean, this bike is $21,000 basically. I mean, it ain't cheap. I mean, the rider triangle on this bike, it's comfy. I mean, these handlebars are nice and high, but not super high. You still have a, you know, sportier tuck position. You have adjustable front suspension, fully adjustable rear. So I mean, you got everything you kind of need, and you have a massive amount of instantaneous torque. And since it's an electric bike, which we will try once we get around this stupid van. Yeah. I've ridden most of the Zeros for 2023, and they didn't have a 2023 version of this, but they have the 2022, so yeah, I'll take it out. I'd love to try it. I like trying all bikes. I have this love of all things two wheels, so being able to get out on the road on any motorcycle is a thrill for me. Even if I don't like the bike, it's still a thrill. What are we going to pull out in front of me today? Test the brakes. They're good. I mean, they're solid. They're there. That was all one finger. I was having this conversation with some of the other guys at the dealership today, and we were talking about the electric bikes and the range, and the range is not, it's not where we need it to be as far as riders go, and the fact that we can't just quick charge in 10 minutes anywhere is also an issue. But on the same token, it's like, this is the future. This is what it's coming to. Once we figure out all these little things, it's so light. Honestly, this bike is so lightweight. I mean, yeah, I said it was 518 pounds, but it doesn't feel 518 pounds. It feels incredibly light and nimble. And it's, oh God, I love it. I love these things. Because the future of motorcycling is this. It's just a matter of when do we get there. It's really weird, obviously, with no clutch, you have no engine noise. Yeah, it's weird. I mean, you ride enough bikes and you get used to a certain noise and feeling, This bike doesn't have any vibrations, nothing. It's just, I'm here and I'm just going. It's right where it needs to be. Instantaneous power delivery. Instant. And it's wonderful. It's phenomenal the way it feels. This bike is really connected to the road too. Like the suspension right where it's at is damn near perfect for me. I mean, I'm 5'9", I weigh 220 pounds, and and the way the suspension is for this is right where I need it to be. It's quick. It's quick. 3, 2, 1, go. Full throttle. Zero to 100. Ladies and gentlemen, 2022 0 SRS. Stupid fast, and a lot of fun, and a really good styling to it. I don't know, I like this one the most of all the zeros, to be honest. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like, subscribe, greatly appreciate it. We'll keep more bikes coming, no matter what, because my goal is to ride everything. Alright everybody, stay safe, and as always, enjoy the ride.